Classi Waterproofing Kit for Wetrooms allows you the option of having a wet room anywhere in your home. Before you begin, make sure that all surfaces to receive the membrane have been properly primed. Using a 4mm square notch trowel, the first stage is to apply the C2 powder mixed tile adhesive to the floor area. Next, overlay the membrane using the back of the trowel, remove any excess air. Assemble the membrane clamp ring to the waist. Now apply the preformed corner joints. Use the same process of applying the tile adhesive, then membrane, remembering to expel air. Next, apply the Classi corner and joint tape between the floor membrane and the walls. Now apply the membrane to the walls, remembering to leave a gap in the corners of approximately 20mm. After applying all the wall membranes, use the Classi corner and joint tape to allow for movement in the corners. Simply apply tile adhesive, overlay the Classi elastomeric strip and remove excess air. For extruding pipes, use the Classi pipe collars. Apply the adhesive, apply collars and remove excess air. Tiling can begin immediately. If sealing the corner of the wall or between the wall and floor joint with silicone, we only recommend neutral cure sanitary grade 100% silicone such as Classi Neutral Cure or similar.